engineering group is working to create tiny homes for workers and homeless people almost completely by using a robot. The company built the machine to 3D print homes and says it can be done in a matter of hours. ActionJax Finn Carlin got a look at how the homes are built and how it could help curb homelessness in Jacksonville.
This isn't just a behind-the-scenes look of a home being built. This is the home, printed layer by a single robot.
And this one will last forever.
Catherine McAvoy's company, built by Golem, put it together. Not just the house, but the robot laying down its concrete. McAvoy doesn't only speak boldly.
It's not getting blown away by a hurricane.
About the homes themselves.
If you run a car into this, the car's gone.
But she says the reason for them is just as strong.
This is a great solution for affordable housing.
She's working with the city to build villages of these tiny homes for people in need.
The houses being 3D printed are $300,000, $400,000, $500,000. That doesn't solve our need for affordable housing.
These homes are 3D printed from the ground up after a foundation's already been laid down. Without a roof, we're told this one only took 15 hours to print. And this right here is the robot that built it. It funnels concrete through this piece right here that prints the home based off of a computer blueprint. Built by Golem says this robot alone could build 2 houses in just 1 month.
We don't want to be out in the boondocks because a lot of the folks need to be in the city for working and, transportation and things.
McAvoy is still looking for where her company will start building, but she says they could start as soon as next year. She's keeping one goal in mind.
That we could really build a healthy community for people who right now are unhoused or close to it.
Helping housing problems one layer at a time. For local coverage you can count on in Jacksonville, Finn Carlin, Action News Jax.
Built by Golem says it's looking for anyone living in and around Jacksonville and downtown area to offer up land for the tiny homes. You can learn more about the company on actionnewsjax.com.